Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Wanted to ask you guys if you could do me a favor. If you're watching these videos and checking out the channel and you like what you see, if you guys could hit the subscribe button for me, we would really appreciate that. We are working our way to trying to get monetized so that we can build bigger and better cars and more builds and so on and so forth and keep doing this. And that would help us a lot if you guys could do that for us. So that's really all I got for you. Really appreciate all of you. Stay tuned. We've got lots of cool builds coming. Lots of things starting to happen on a lot of different cars. So it won't just be the Thing. It's going to be the Thing, the 40 Ford, the Apache. There's going to be a lot of things happening. So just stay tuned, and I will try my best to get you as many videos as I can, including Don's 1957 Chevy two-door post that we're working on. There's a lot going on over there too. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for everything. We really appreciate you. Have a great night. Hey everybody, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Happy Tuesday. We've had a really good day over here on the 40. Kind of walk you through that here. We didn't get anything. We didn't do anything on the Thing. Just mainly pushed it outside, waiting on parts. So once those come in, we'll go from there. We did pick up welding wire this morning and some new tips, so that's exciting. And Ron, let me get you in here. We have a hump. So we sealed up the floor here. Big Ron did all this morning. Sealed all this up. Shifter works good. All the things. We also removed the clutch pedal. That's gone now. So we're back to being a two-pedal car. I think I'm gonna buy the next size up, the larger brake pedal, and put it on there. But for now, it works. Get us around the block, and it's worked for years with the manual, so it's not like it doesn't physically work. I just think it would be safer and better to have a little bigger pedal if I can get it. Otherwise, that's what we got there. Went to the dump today, got rid of a ton of stuff. Started cleaning out the back of the truck here a little bit, back of the Apache, and got rid of all the light bulbs, the kitty litter containers that we were using to hold diesel fuel the other day, so on and so forth. But yeah, well guys, I think by the time you see this, I think we're gonna be there. Oh, Ron's mowing the grass. Hold on a second. I think we've hit 1,000 subscribers. It shows 998 on my phone, but when I check on the computer, it says I have 1,050. You tell me how that works. But I think we're there, and I want to thank each and every one of you for supporting us and watching our videos and doing all the things. We really appreciate it. I never dreamed we'd be having 1,000 subscribers ever, honestly. Got this guy out here, but really happy that we have, and you know, it matters to us. You know, it means what we're doing is helping somebody, and you know, you guys are actually watching it, which is pretty cool. So we're gonna keep doing it, and hopefully you guys keep watching and subscribing and doing all the things, and we'll keep building cool cars and bringing it to you and selling them to you. So that's kind of fun. But anyway, guys, tomorrow we're going to install the exhaust, kick down cable, neutral safety switch, and just kind of do a general buttoning up. I'm going to recheck all the bolts on the engine and everything, make sure everything's tight. And then I think we're going to drop this on the ground, fire it up, and take it around the block, see if it shifts. Well, at least get it on the ground and see if it'll go into park, reverse, neutral, drive. And if it does, we'll probably drive around the block, see how that goes, make sure it actually shifts, and has the right amount of fluid in it and all the things, and then we'll go from there. So tomorrow should be an interesting day. Well, let me restate that. I don't want to lie to you. Now I'm thinking about tomorrow. I've got to go and get my teeth cleaned, and I've also got Ron's got a bunch of things he has to do. So we're going to try to get that done tomorrow. If not tomorrow, it'll be the next day, and this will all be back together and so on. So bear with us, but either today or either tomorrow or the next day, we'll have this thing on all four paws driving up and down the street, and we'll bring you along for all that. So anyway, guys, that's what I got for you right now. Really appreciate all of you with the subscribing and just supporting us. It's great. I love all your comments and helping you guys out any way I can, and it's just a lot of fun. I just wanted to let you know I appreciate it. Big Ron appreciates it. I'm gonna leave you guys with that. Thanks for watching Brown's Rod and Custom. We'll see you tomorrow.